This one I screwed up and cross-threaded on, I'm sure, because of the alignment here. Then this garden hose adapter to 3/4 inch pipe MPT thread. It's got some leaks coming out of it. And this one up here initially started leaking from the bottom here, just from doing this tank thread here to here. It's like I put this in a compromise, and I'm wondering if that's leaking down the back of the wall, which would certainly suck. So I don't know whether the inside of the bathroom is compromised because of something I just wiggled or moved, but everything that I touched was from here out to the tank and this fitting, which I was careful not to mess with, hammering on this. So this should be cold water intake in, and this should be hot water out. I don't know what I'm doing. Let me keep to working on some stereos.